If you're seeing a Squarespace form error or your form just isn't submitting properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is especially useful if your form is connected to a third-party app, if the connection token has expired, or if Google reCAPTCHA is causing the issue. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to refresh the connection, update the form settings, and test the form the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to the page where your form is located. Click Edit on your target page layout so you can access the page editor. Once the editor opens, hover over the form block and click the pencil icon, also known as Edit block. This opens the form settings panel where you can review the connection and validation options. Now click over to the Storage tab. This is where Squarespace stores the form's integration settings, including any connected apps or email services. Locate your connected third-party app and click Disconnect. This step helps reset the current integration so Squarespace can establish a fresh connection. After disconnecting the app, refresh your browser page. This is an important step because it makes sure the editor loads the updated connection state. Then return to the form's storage menu, click Connect, and follow the login prompts carefully. Sign into the correct account and allow the system to refresh the connection token. In many cases, this alone can fix the form error if the old token was expired or broken. Once the connection is re-established, click Save. Saving confirms the updated storage settings and locks in the new connection details, but we're not done yet, because another common cause of form errors is reCAPTCHA. Next, double-click the form block again and navigate to either the Content tab or the Validation tab, depending on the form version you're using. Look for Google reCAPTCHA and temporarily toggle it to Off. Then save your changes. Turning reCAPTCHA off for a moment can help you identify whether the error is being caused by the anti-spam validation rather than the form connection itself. Now test the form on your live URL. Open the actual published page, enter a sample response, and try submitting the form. This is the most important part because it confirms whether the issue is fixed outside of the editor. If the submission goes through successfully, then the problem was likely the disconnected app token or reCAPTCHA setting. If the form still isn't working, go back and double check that the correct third-party app is connected, that the settings were saved properly, and that you tested the live page instead of only the editor preview. In many cases, Squarespace form issues come down to one small setting, so being methodical here really helps. That's it. You've now walked through the main fixes for a Squarespace form error, including reconnecting the storage app, refreshing the token, disabling reCAPTCHA temporarily, and testing the live form submission. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.